There are lots of videos out there about sawhorses that are beautiful, foldable, stackable and so strong that you can drop a safe on them. But I need a sawhorse now to use as an impromptu outfeed table. I don't want to use good wood for it. It doesn't have to be that strong, but I need it today and it must be 65 centimeters tall. Luke, I am a nomad's projects. I took shelves from a disused IKEA bookcase and cut 30-degree bevels on them. This will make the leg stands of the sawhorse 60 degrees. It may not be optimal, but it was quick and easy and that's all that matters here. I made equal-sided triangular aprons with 30-degree miters to make assembly easier. Assembly would have been a bajillion times easier if I could find my glue gun.
Forget it.
So I marked off the positions for the aprons and drilled pilot holes for them. I screwed straight into the face edge of the chipboard. This is a weak bond, but it doesn't have to be strong, it has to be quick. I made some additional supports to give this rickety sawhorse a semblance of structural strength. The apron on one side split, so I changed it out for some pine that I got off offcuts of constructional timber. Here's a quick tip if you want to drill angled holes before impromptu pocket holes, or if you just need to drill at an angle. First make starter hole 90 degrees to the surface, then you withdraw the drill and drill at the angle you want to. So there you are, ugly duckling, quick and dirty sawhorses from an IKEA shelf. That's it for today, guys. I really hope you liked the video, and if this is your first visit to my channel, please consider subscribing. I'll catch you in the next one.